Good afternoon, everyone. Greetings to everyone. I'm Dumi here. So today I'm at Northdale, a day med private hospital. I'm at Dr. Zipozankosi's practice. I'm busy telling everyone that I'm like the receptionist. Since almost then I think was any position. I'm trying to be a receptionist. I've been sitting here the whole day, getting all ready and excited for people who will be coming to see Dr. Zipozankosi for consultation from tomorrow onwards. You guys can come anytime. She's based in Northdale Day Med Hospital. On the health and wellness side. It's a new practice. There it is. Dr. Zipozankosi Health and Wellness. They all invited. If you cool and no man corona, mkhuhlane, inkinga uphethwe amehlo, uphethwe ikhanda, noshukela, TB, everything. So she's very excited to be hosting you guys tomorrow. Everyone is going to be coming through for consultation. We are all very, very excited for tomorrow. We cannot wait to see people coming in. And Zipo is excited that she's going to be now doing what she loves at her own place and, having a positive impact with society and doing it at our own place. So we ask that you may come in numbers, and I think she said the first day is going to be free. Gane, am I wrong?
Sorry?
Is the first day free?
No.
Oh, it's not?
No, not free. No.
Is it half price?
No. It's 25% off the first consultation.
Oh, so
whichever first consultation is like forever. So if you come in for the first time, it's 25% off. Then the next time you come, you pay full price.
Oh.
So even if it's come next month, we'll still be 25%.
Okay, as long as it's your first time.
Yeah, I think so. Actually, I'm not sure.
Okay.
But I know that it's 25% off though.
Ow, you think so? So that is Zipo's sister. Ayanda Ngobi Ngani. Hey, magama amaningi. Awunalo igama le-English? Fiasco. So yeah. Hi Shle. I'm the receptionist. Thank you very much. Thanks. Sane, as nankinga, what happened for you to see a doctor? You consult first. You pay money to see a doctor. No man at all for no doctor. Need to put a patient. So the chances are you're gonna have to pay for consultation. That's because we're bonus people. So yeah, guys, today I've been the receptionist. Today here at Day Med, Dr. Zipozankosi's practice there. I've been the receptionist namhlanje. Ngoba ngikaqala ukusetshenziswa. Mhlambe one day uma sokuthi receptionist ayikho ngikho busy. Mhlambe ngiyofika nami ngizobambela i-receptionist la. That would be so cool. But like I was like, nah. And my wife was like, that'd actually be really nice of you. Like, okay. Something to think about. Kanye also uyagula already. Definitely. Sifuna abantu abagulayo, abantu bagule manje. Dokotela uready. Uziphi uready uba treat. Now Mr. Menti, umusubuza izinto eziningi, receptionist. Whether kuyasetshenzwa or akusetshenzwa okusalayo, I'm a receptionist. Finish. Anele, ngizobe ngikhona for consultation. When you come for consultation, uzipho ngasikhathi busy ekutreat ngale mina ngibusy ngiyacula. Umoya umzwilile. Busy ngiyacula. Wena doctor busy uyakutreat ngale mina ngibusy ulwa. Hlelwa babona yena ubeka i-stethoscope la. Check your heart mina no fully Jordan. Check your chest rays, chest X-ray. I will chest X-ray. I will chest X-ray. The knee X-ray. And I was busy big stethoscope. Gana see stethoscopes kazi pull up. While she's busy with all that, you know.
We've been calling. They said that they have our information already.
While she's busy. Okay. Mina busy. Kila ngiyacula. Shaya umuntu mina. So yeah, guys.
Yes.
We are very excited. I know my wife is very excited. So yeah, if you're around Peter Maritzburg, Bentley, Escort, Transport, whatever. No me go, as long as you are around Maritzburg and Bali, Stood, not there, everywhere. Bombay Road, Bombay. Because my text message. So yeah, hope to see you guys soon, and God bless you. Bye bye.